under the Toucan hood. Today we're going to talk about food. I mean, feeding applications. So, can you tell me how the platform can help me build a robust app regarding data feeding?
Yes, these are features that we are very proud of because it comes from the fact that we've delivered a lot of projects and they are in production for a long time, and we want them to be reliable and to give reliable insights to the users. Those features are beyond the tag of data validation. So when you add a data source to Toucan Toco, when you do data transformation inside Toucan Toco, each steps you can add some data validation to your data source, to your data transformation, to make sure that in time, with new data coming in, the transformation or the data source will respect the guidelines that you've put when you built the application. This can be plugged into our notification system. So you will be notified each time a data source or a data transformation is not behaving as you expected when you built the application. And this is key to make applications which are going to stay relevant in time.
That's amazing. So it means that you can have a very fluid way of feeding your app during all times.
Yes.
Thank you very much, and see you for the next session.